गाइस वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ आपको सीमेंट 2023 के ऊपर कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटी रिवीजन। ठीक है, तो ये हमारी जीके की लास्ट वीडियो है। ठीक है, कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटी के ऊपर। ठीक है, मैंने जीके की सीरीज से सारी टॉपिक आप लोग की मैंने रिवीजन करा दी है। ठीक है, आज जैसे कि 2 मई है और आप लोग की परसों एग्ज़ाम है सीमेंट के लिए। ठीक है, तो आई थिंक आप लोग के लिए जीके की रिवीजन ये इनफ है। ठीक है, मैंने सारे आपको जीके की रिवीजन करा दी है और आपकी मैंने करंट अफेयर्स की भी मैंने मार्च तक दे दी थी। ठीक है, तो आप सभी लोग जाकर उस वीडियो को भी देख लो। ठीक है, और आप लोगों ने जीके की सीरीज़ बहुत पसंद किया है आप लोगों ने। ठीक है, तो ये जीके का लास्ट सीरीज़ है कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटी रिवीजन। ठीक है, और इसके बाद एक इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की मैं अभी जस्ट इसके बाद वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा, तो उसको भी जाकर जरूर देख लेना, सारे क्वेश्चन देख लेना। ओके, एंड डेफिनेटली उसमें से क्वेश्चन आएंगे। और जो पहले मैंने सेशंस कराए थे इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और आपके जो भी मैंने जो वर्कशॉप ली थी इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की, वहाँ की इसकी भी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दी है, उसकी पीडीएफ में दे दूंगा। ठीक है, पीपीटी की, तो वहाँ जाकर आप लोग देख लेना। ठीक है, और जीके की मैं प्लेलिस्ट दे दूंगा इस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो वहाँ पे भी जाकर आप सारे वीडियोस देख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो भी लोग चैनल पर नए आओ सब्सक्राइब कर लो। ठीक है, लाइक ज़रूर करना। ठीक है, और शेयर करना जो लोग सीमा टारगेट कर रहे हो। ठीक है, तो चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, सो अगर फर्स्ट स्लाइड पे चले तो फर्स्ट स्लाइड पे चले तो ये ठीक है, जो जैसा कि हमारा फर्स्ट स्लाइड है, आप लोग अगर सीमेट पे ज्वाइन होना चाहते हो ग्रुप पे जरूर ज्वाइन हो जाओ। ठीक है, सारे अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहेंगे ये वाला। ठीक है, और सीमेट के हम लोग को व्हाट्सएप पे भी है, तो वहाँ पे भी जाकर जरूर ज्वाइन हो जाओ। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मैं बात करूँ तो ये हम लोग का हिस्ट्री सेक्शन है। फर्स्ट देखो, यहाँ पे मैंने 3 सेक्शन बनाई है। एक हिस्ट्री बनाई है, ठीक है, दूसरा मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री बनाया हूँ, और थर्ड जो हमारा पॉलिटी पे रहेगा। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन लाया हूँ। ठीक है, क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट्स अभी आपको पढ़ने को उतना टाइम नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग के परसों एग्जाम है। जितने भी हम लोग क्वेश्चन कर सके वो आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा। ठीक है, और आई थिंक आप लोगों ने कॉन्सेप्ट्स पहले पढ़े होंगे। ठीक है, तो आपकी भी रिवीजन हो जाएगी अच्छे से। चलो पढ़ते हैं। इन विच लैंग्वेज महात्मा गांधी हैड रिटन हिज बायोग्राफी। तो फर्स्ट इसका जो है गुजराती में उन्होंने लिखा था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मैं बात करूँ तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्ट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन मोंटागू शेल्म फोर्ड रिपोर्ट। इसका क्या होगा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919। ठीक है, हु अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग नेशनल लीडर पब्लिश द जनरल हेरिजन। क्या होगा, महात्मा गांधी। नेक्स्ट, सत्याशोधक समाज was founded by ज्योतिराव फूले। नेक्स्ट, who was the founder of the आंध्र महिला सभा, दुर्गा भाई देशमुख। ग्रीन कलर इन इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग signifies relation to soil and prosperity. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the salt satyagraha? Sabarmati. Who established the Atmiya Sabha, a precursor in the socio-religious reforms in Bengal? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next, the Gandhi-Edwin Pact was associated to which one of the following movements of India? Civil disobedience. ठीक है, next, who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. The first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayabji. Who said heavy industry is a synonym of development? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the president of the Swaraj Party after Gaya annual conference in December 1922? Chittaranjan Das. Who among the following reforms founded Arya Samaj? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Which among the following was the only session of Indian National Congress that was presided by Mahatma Gandhi? Belgaum. Who was the last Maratha chief to accept the subsidiary alliance of the British? Holkar. C. Who inspired the young Bengal movement in the 19th century? B. Henry Vivian Derejo. Next, who is often called as Hindu Luther of Northern India? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Which among of the following acts is also known to be a beginning of the parliamentary system in India? A. Indian Councils Act 1892. Who presided over the first session of the All India Trade Union Congress in 1920? B. Lala Lajpat Rai. William Digby is known to write one on which of the aspects of India? B. Indian society. The year of foundation of the Women in Indian Association WIA is D. 1917. The Ghadar Party was founded 9 November 1913 at San Francisco, USA by Lal Har Dayal. B. The Pune Act 1932 was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Who started the first English newspaper in India? J. A. Hickey. C. Who is the author of Bande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is regarded as the father of modern India? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Muslim communalism was lent and impetus by the activities of which of the following? Shahid Ahmad Khan. D. Who threw the 2 bombs on the door of Central Assembly in New Delhi on April 8, 1929? Both A and B. Bhagat Singh and Batu Keshwar Dutt. Next, Noakhali is situated in Bangladesh. During the first Carnatic War, the French Governor General of Pondicherry was Dupleix. The first Indian who was elected to the leadership of the Communist International was M.N. Roy, who had founded the Deccan Education Society. Mahadeva Govind Ranade. The Sapir Mutiny broke out on May 10, 1857 at A. Meerut. The program of Swadeshi and boycott against the partition of Bengal was visualized by C. Aurobindo Ghosh. The first definite and forceful expression of the concepts of a separate homeland for the Muslims came from, or the catcher of the idea of Pakistan was A. Sir Muhammad Iqbal, who was the chairman of the Partition Council. A. Jinnah. The author of A Nation in the Making was Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, as per cabinet mission plan, the strength of the Constituent Assembly would be A. 389, in which year was Burma separated from India? 1937. C. India for the Indians was political message of Dayanand. Murshid Quli Khan, Ali Bardi Khan and Shiraj Dullah were all Nababs of Dash D. Bengal. Who was not among the 3 revolutionaries who had hanged on March 23, 1931? B. Azad. Who of the following attended all the 3 round table conferences? B. R. Ambedkar. A. Mahatma Gandhi compared Firoz Shah Mehta with the Himalayas, Tilak with the ocean and Gokhale with Dash B. Gangas. ठीक है. Next, where did the so-called black hole tragedy takes place? C. Calcutta. Mahatma Gandhi began his political activities in India first from D. चंपारण से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. Next, according to दादा भाई नाडोजी, स्वराज means self government. B. The landmarks of Dalhousie administration did not include B. English as the medium of instruction. Which one of the following was not a French settlement in India? C. Goa. Who contemplatively referred to Mahatma Gandhi as a half-necked fakir? Winston Churchill. D. Okay, I think कुछ glitch होगा इसमें. ठीक है, next चलो. हाँ, Subhas Bose established the provisional government of Free India at C. Singapore. The permanent settlement introduced by Cornwallis in Bengal is known as Zamindari system. The office of Governor General of India was created by the C. Carter Act 1833. Which one of the following organization was not established by B. R. Ambedkar? Zero Club, who is called as the prophet of New India? B. Sri Ramakrishna Chandrasekhar Azad was dash of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. C. Commander in Chief. अब आते हैं हम लोग मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री में. जैसा मैंने बताया था पहले हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, फिर पॉलिटी हम लोग करेंगे. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट चलो क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. सावित्री भाई फूले वर्कड फॉर अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ बोथ 1 and 2 women only and depressed class only. Next, who was the first Governor General of India? B. Lord William Bentinck. Which Governor General of India introduced permanent settlement? A. Lord Cornwallis. In which year the Rowlatt Act passed? 18 April 1919. The place Dandi is located in which district of Gujarat? Navsari. Next, who demanded for separate electorates in the second round table conference? B. R. Ambedkar. Who officially demanded for a separate homeland for the Muslim of India? D. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who renounced the title of Hajik ul Mulk during Khalifat movement? B. Hakim Ajmal Khan. Under the non-cooperation movement, the council election were boycotted in most of the provinces except Madras. What was the actual duration of first round table conference? C. November 1932, January 1931. Which Governor General of India introduced doctrine of lapse? Lord A. Lord Dalhousie. Who is purposely known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Where was the All India Khalifat Conference held in 1919? C. Delhi. Who signed the Pune Pact on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi? Madan Mohan Malviya. A. During the tenure of which government was Victoria Memorial Hall of Calcutta built? D. Lord Hardinge. At which place Gandhi ji gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Gwalior Tank Maidan. A. Who was the head of Simon Commission? B. Sir John Simon. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? A. Mahatma Gandhi. In whose time the first court was established in Calcutta? Warren Hastings. The first victim of the British policy of subsidiary alliance was D. Hyderabad. Which Governor General of India is known as the father of modern Western education in India? A. Lord William Bentinck. The first British presidency in India was established as Dash Surat. The Swaraj Party was founded by whom in 1920? C.R. Das. A. Alia University is the first Muslim university of which one of the following states? B. West Bengal. In which act yearly rupees 1 lakh was allotted for the education of Indian? Carter Act 1813. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa? 1950. ये भी important question है. At which place Mahatma Gandhi opened सत्याग्रह आश्रम? कोडैब. ठीक है, कोडैब या कोचरैब, ठीक है, जो भी बोलो. ओके. A. Mahatma Gandhi returned at which place on 9 January 1950 after returning from South Africa? Bombay. D. Which was the first सत्याग्रह launched by Mahatma Gandhi in India? चंपारण सत्याग्रह. C. ये भी काफ़ी important है. The district Champaran is situated in which Indian state? D. For helping which kind of planters the Champaran movement was started? Indigo planters. Which system was imposed by the British government on Indian indigo planters? Tinkatia system. C. Who were the founders of Swaraj Party? Both A and B. Jawaharlal Nehru and Motilal Nehru. Which session of Indian National Congress gave the approval for civil disobedience movement? B. Lahore session. The Swaraj Party was formed after which annual session of INC? A. Gaya. The civil disobedience movement started with which incident? Dandi March. Dandi March was started in which year? A. 12 March 1930. Gandhiji started the Dandi March from which place? B. Sabarmati. Who requested Gandhiji to help indigo planters of Champaran movement of Bihar? C. Raj Kumar Shukla. In the year 1970 the Satyagraha ashram shifted at which place? B. Sabarmati. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev along with Jay Gopal were involved in which among one of the following conspiracy? conspiracy case. B. Lahore conspiracy case. On which among of the following dates National Development Council was set up? B. 6th August 1952. Which Bengali writer suggested the adoption of Hindi as Indian national language? Bhudeva Mukherjee. A. Which among the following was the venue of All India Caliphate Conference 1919? B. Delhi. Which date is associated with the incident of Chaudi Chauda? A. 5th February 1922. New India and Commonwealth newspaper was started by C. Annie Besant. Who among the following leaders led the revolt of 1857 in Rewari, Haryana? D. Rao Tularam. ठीक है. Next, the Swaraj Party was formed in which year? 1923. अब आते हैं हम लोग पॉलिटी पे. ठीक है, ये हमारी लास्ट सेक्शन है. हिस्ट्री हो गया, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री हो गया, हम लोग पॉलिटी पे डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है, ये सब क्वेश्चन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए. ठीक है, ये सब सारे करके जाओ, इससे आपको सिमिलर क्वेश्चन जरूर मिलेंगे या फिर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ही मिलेंगे. ठीक है, डेफिनेटली मिलेंगे एग्जाम में. ठीक है, इसी से आते हैं ये बनकर. ठीक है, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी और हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, ये सबसे. ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? कौन है? बी आर अम्बेडकर. ए. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? C. Rajendra Prasad. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by whom? B. M.N. Roy. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on D. 26 November 1949. Constitution of India came into effect from 26 January 1950. B. The Constituent Assembly took how much time to finally complete the Constitution? A. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The first linguistic state of Andhra come into existence on 1st October 1953. D. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha was A. G.B. Mavalankar. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first meet on 9 December 1946. The Indian Constitution closely follow the constitution system of A. UK. Which words were added to the preamble to the Constitution through the 42 Amendment Act? D. All of the above. Under which article President can declare state emergency? D. Article 356. The insertion of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble derived from A. French Revolution. Which fundamental right is also available to a foreigner on the soil of India? B. Right to life. From which country constitution the right to equality has been borrowed? C. Britain. Which article defines equality before law and equal protection of law? Article 14. The name of Laccadive, Minico and Amendevi Islands was changed to Lakshadweep by an act of parliament in 1973. Next, the member of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of B. 5 years. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is 25 years. What is the fourth state in democracy? Media. D. Right to properties were removed from the list of fundamental rights by which amendment? A. 44th Amendment. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. President. Which fundamental right has been described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? D. Right to constitution remedies. The objectives resolution which laid down the main objectives to guide the deliberations of the assembly was moved by B. Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? B. 14 years. Which state government has prohibited use of the word Harijan and replaced it with Anusuchit Jati in official work? Uttar Pradesh. C. From which country constitution the rule of law has been borrowed? A. UK. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in which year? 1976. B. From which country constitution the distribution of powers between union and state has been borrowed? C. Britain. In which year Constitution of India was amended for the first time? B. 1951. Feed free and compulsory education to all children from 6 to 14 years age. was made a fundamental right by which of the following amendments? 86. Okay, D. Who among the following can suspend the fundamental rights? B. President. Which among the following article deals with the rights of citizenships of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside of India? See Article 8. In which year Uttaranchal was renamed as Uttarakhand? D. 2007. Who wrote the book The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu. B. Which article states that there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President? B. Article 74. So next is which amendment is related to goods and services tax? 101 amendment. Okay, 101 amendment. B. Who is authorized to extend the jurisdiction of a high court? A. Parliament. Who administers oath to a judge of a high court? D. Governor. Consumer Protection Act 2019 has replaced which one of the following? B. Consumer Protection Act 1986. In which of the following general election electronic voting machine EVM were used for the first time? 1982. ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है क्योंकि अगले साल जो है हमारी इलेक्शन है 2024 में, तो उससे क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. ओके. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by state government? A. D. All of the above. Which of the following article deals with the election of the vice president? C. Article 66. Who can remove the vice president from his office? C. Parliament. The term of office of the vice president is as follows. D. 5 years. Initially, how many members were the part of the Constituent Assembly? 389. C. What was the number of articles at the time of commencement of the Constitution? C. 395. Which house is called the upper house of the Parliament? B. Rajya Sabha. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a time period of C. 6 years. The fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution is derived from which country? A. Russia. Which article states that there will be Vice President of India? B. Article 63. What was the number of the potentially states in India at the time of partition? D. 562. The most controversial amendment passed during the emergency was 42C. Diet is the name of parliament of which nation? B. Japan. What is the minimum year of age candidate for the office of the vice president? C. 35. By which among the following amendments of the Constitution Delhi was made the national capital territory? B. 69th. How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? 12. B. Who of the following became President of India without serving as Vice President? C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Okay, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. So I think this is the last slide. Okay guys, तो ये था पूरा आपका कंप्लीट रिवीजन. ठीक है, हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री ऑफ पॉलिटी के ऊपर. ठीक है, इससे डेफिनेटली आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. ठीक है, स्टैटिक जीके में आपको, सीमेट में. ठीक है, टेस्ट में भी आते थे ऐसे क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो आई थिंक आप लोगों को वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी. सो इसके बाद जो वीडियो आएगी इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे आएगी. ठीक है, तो चैनल बने रहना. ठीक है, और वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो लाइक ज़रूर करना. ठीक है, और सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल को. ठीक है, और जितने भी ग्रुप्स हैं सारे पे ज्वाइन हो जाओ. ठीक है, सीमेट पे अगर स्पेशली होना चाहते हो तो हो जाओ इस पे. सीमेट, टेलीग्राम और व्हाट्सएप पे हो जाना. सबकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है. ठीक है, और मैं प्लेलिस्ट की भी लिंक दे दूंगा और इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की भी लिंक दे दूंगा. ठीक है, और हम लोग क्वांट्स की भी जाकर देख सकते हो. सब चैनल पे बनी हुई है, सबकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइडेड है. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पर जाकर देख सकते हो. ओके, सो मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ठीक है, टिल देन थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय.